Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I had been wanting to get some bird feeders for our yard. Well, I found this awesome bird feeding station from Gray Bunny. What I really like about this is you have 4 different hooks plus a feeding tray, so you can have up to 5 different bird seeds just on this single station alone. So that has enabled me to attract all sorts of birds. We've had finches, robins, bluebirds, cardinals. It's been so fun. Plus, it sits right outside our living room window, so we can enjoy viewing the birds from inside as well. This particular setup was ideal for us because we live in a newer built home. We don't have any large trees in our yard to hang feeders off of. Because of the way this is designed, all you do is stake it into the ground and it's really secure. So this is going to accommodate virtually any home. I also love that the station has a small water source. As I learned in my research, it's important to have a water source close to your bird seed to attract the birds. I'm happy to report though, within the same day that I had this set up, I had birds coming. I was so excited. It's truly brought me so much joy. And I've noticed the longer that I've had it up, the more frequently the birds are coming and I'm seeing a larger variety. This bird feeding station is a great way to take care of the wildlife that's right in your backyard. Your whole family is going to enjoy it. And that's my point of view.